Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Summary. Narrator, excited tone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about personal finance books of all time. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Want to know what the rich teach their kids about money that the poor and middle class don't? Let's break it down, story style. Part 1. The Two Dads. Narrator. Robert Kiyosaki grew up with two dads. One was his biological father, the poor dad, a well-educated man with a steady job and strong values around school and work. The other was the father of his best friend, the rich dad, a high school dropout but a wealthy entrepreneur. Both dads were smart, both worked hard, but they had very different views on money. Part 2. The Core Message. Narrator. Here's the core idea of the book. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. Poor dad would say, go to school, get a job, play it safe. Rich dad would say, learn how money works, invest, build assets, don't just chase paychecks. Part 3. Assets versus liabilities. Narrator. This is key. Rich Dad taught Robert the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, like investments, rental properties, or a business. Liabilities take money out, like fancy cars, credit card debt, or even your house, if it's not making you money. Lesson? Buy assets. The rich focus on growing their asset column. The poor, they often mistake liabilities for assets. Part 4. The Power of Financial Education. Narrator. Rich Dad didn't just hand Robert money. He taught him how to think about money. Schools teach math, science, history, but rarely teach kids how to manage finances, invest, or build wealth. That's why financial education is so important. According to Kiyosaki, it's the real foundation for financial freedom. Part 5. Don't fear risk, learn to manage it. Narrator. Poor dad feared losing money. He thought risk was bad. But rich dad, he embraced it because he understood it. Kiyosaki says, it's not about avoiding risk. It's about learning to manage it. And that comes from experience and education, not from playing it safe forever. Part 6. Work to learn, not just to earn. Narrator. Another gold nugget. Don't work just for a paycheck. Work to learn skills, sales, marketing, investing, communication. The more valuable skills you have, the more opportunities you'll create for yourself. Jobs may come and go, but your skills stay with you. Narrator. So what's the big picture? Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a finance book. It's a mindset shift. Understand money, build assets, invest in your financial education. Don't trade time for money forever. Make your money work for you. Narrator. Smiling. If you found this summary helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's one money lesson you wish you learned earlier? Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't have to be rich to start, but you have to start to get rich. Catch you in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment, social handles.